Hi, I'm Faye Hollands from Career Transformation for Mums. If you've ever dreamed of experiencing a new career perfectly suited to you and your family, you're in the right place, even if you currently have absolutely no idea what it is you'd like to do. Without a doubt, changing career can be a daunting task, and being a mum means the decisions you make when changing career don't only affect you but your entire family. So it's all the more important to make sure that you're making the right decisions. Sadly, the fear this extra responsibility creates is normally enough to permanently stop most mums from ever pursuing their dream career, and instead they settle for something that purely pays the bills, which ultimately doesn't lead to long-term career satisfaction. If you feel stuck in a job that you no longer enjoy and that doesn't let you be the mum you want to be, or perhaps you feel frustrated that you can't find a happy balance between your new role as a parent and your previous career choice, or maybe you're concerned that your part-time position doesn't allow you to perform to the level you'd like to, and the wages are going to be able to provide the future you want for you and your family, don't worry, you're not alone. I've been running Outshine Consulting, a professional career coaching company, for nearly 8 years now, and I've worked with hundreds of women just like you who want to create a career they love. If you crave a career that will unlock a more fulfilling, secure and rewarding future for you and your family, then Career Transformation for Mums can help you design that future, even if you are completely confused, utterly time poor and have no idea how to get started. This 6-module program, which I personally deliver via live webinar, will help you discover how to quickly identify the best career options that excite you and are suited to your strengths, decide with certainty which new career path you want to follow, make your chosen dream career a reality at a pace that suits you and understands your need for flexibility and support, and also gives you the accountability and roadmap you need to make sure that you don't fall into the trap of always putting your family's needs before yourself. With 20 plus years HR, recruitment and career coaching expertise, combined with my own significant career change and 2 very young daughters to boot, I know what it takes to change and create a career you love. Through this program, I'm going to hold your hand from start to finish, so no matter how little you think you know or how underprepared you think you feel, you're able to find the inspiration, the time and the resources you need to create a career that you love getting out of bed for. So if you're ready to change your career, change your life and enjoy a family life that works for all of you, then it's a no-brainer. Join me on the Career Transformation for Mums program today, and I guarantee you won't regret it.